friends! Today we are starting, let's say, about lesson 2. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. But before continue, I want to show you something. Do you remember lesson 1? Well, this class video, lesson 1, you will find here under the headline of sessions, online sessions, or sesiones online. Actually, every class video you will find below this section. Well, now you know. Let's start. Starting lesson 2, we will talk about the important and exert an impact on various aspects of society that geography of England has. So here are some key considerations. Number 1, cultural identity and heritage. England's diverse landscape, historical landmarks, and cultural heritage are deeply intertwined with its geography. The distinct regional identities, traditions, and dialects are often shaped by their physical environment. Speaking about economic development and urbanization, are influenced by England geography. Major cities, strategically local port, and industrial region help play pivotal roles in nation economic growth, especially London. The agriculture practices. Remember, England's agricultural landscape is characterized by rolling hills and fertile plains, as influence farming practice and land use. The transportation and infrastructure. Remember, the geography of England has played a crucial role in the development of the transportation network. From ancient Roman roads to modern highways and railways, the geography influences the use of transportation, connectivity between regions, and the movement of goods and people. The environmental conservation and tourism. England's commitment to environmental conservation is reflected in the preservation of natural areas, national parks, and designing heritage sites. The geographic diversity, including coastal areas, mountains, and countryside, contributes to allure for both domestic and international tourists. The coastal management and climate resilience. Coastal region face challenges such as erosion and climate change impact. So the geography influences decisions related to coastal management, including the construction of sea defenses and sustainable development practice to enhance climate resilience. Social inequality and regional disparity. His the geography of England is associated with regional disparity and social inequality. Economic opportunities, infrastructure development, and access to service can vary between urban and rural areas or among different regions, influencing societal and dynamics and well-being. Influence on literature and art. This is the most important over here. In this landscape, whether the romantic moors or busy city streets have inspired generation writers, artists, and poets. The geography serves as a backdrop to literary work and artistic expression that contribute to the cultural fabric of the nation. So, understanding the geography of England is essential for policymakers, planners, and individuals alike. It provides insight into the historical, economic, and cultural factors that shape society. The ongoing interplay between people and the geographies around continues to influence the trajectory of England's development and the experience of its residents. So, continue with the impact of England geography on society. We can explore additional aspects. For example, historical settlement patterns. England's physical geography has influenced historical settlement patterns. River valleys, such as those of the Thames and Severn, provide fertile for earlier culture and begin central civilization. Understanding these subtle patterns contributes to the historical narrative and development of city towns. The water management and flooding. English geography, including its river system, requires effective water management strategies. So, floodplains and low-lying areas are susceptible to flooding, impacting communities. Infrastructure developments such as drainage systems and flood defense are essential for mitigating the risk associated with England's water-rich landscape. Health and well-being. Access to natural spaces, parks, and recreational areas is influenced by England's geography. The presence of green spaces in urban planning contributes to the health and well-being of society, providing opportunities for physical activity, relaxation, and community engagement. Education and research. Geography features from unique ecosystem to geological formation provide valuable resources for education and research. Universities and research institutions leverage the geographic diversity to study environmental science, biodiversity, and geology, contributing to advancement in knowledge and technology. The energy resources and sustainability. The geography of England affects availability and distribution of energy resources. So coastal areas contribute to wind energy production, and consideration of sustainable energy practices are influenced by the physical environment. Geographical factors also play a role in the decision about the destruction of natural resources. Then we have the crisis response and resilience. English geography plays a role in crisis response and resilience planning. Understanding the vulnerability of certain regions to natural disaster, such as floods or landslides, helps in developing effective emergency response strategies and resilient factors. Cultural integration and diversity. Urban areas shaped by the geography of England are hubs of cultural integration and diversity. The proximity of people in cities facilitates interaction among diverse communities, fostering multiculturalism and contributing to the social fabric of the nation. Digital connectivity. Geographic consideration impact the deployment of digital infrastructure, including broadband networks. All areas may face challenges in connectivity due to geographical factors, influencing digital inclusion and access to information and services. Communities' resilience to climate change. Climate change, influenced by geography, poses challenges such as extreme weather events and sea levels rise. Community resilience effort involve adapting to these changes, implementing sustainable practices, and mitigating impact on society and the environment. Tourism and local economies. The diverse geography of England is a draw for tourists contributing to local economies. Tourism-related industry, including hospitality and recreation, benefit from the natural and country attractions shaped by the country geography. Understanding the multifaceted impact of geography on society in England is crucial for holistic decision making and sustainable development. It involves recognizing the interconnected environment, social, and economic factors that shape the experience of individuals and communities across the nation. I want to show you now a video speaking about the physical features. This is the main topic, and the next topic, of course. While continuing, we can say England is characterized by diverse and picture physical features ranging from rolling hills and fertile plains to rugged coastline and urban landscape. So we can classify the physical features of England into different categories based on their characteristics. For example, mountainous regions, Pennines; hill regions, Cotswold, Chalkdowns, so down under down, Downmoor and Exmoor; low-lying areas and Westland, the Fens, the Broads; rivers, River Thames, national parks, Lake District, Dartmouth, Exmoor; coastal areas, north of the coast, Isle of Wight; urban areas, cities like London, Manchester, Birmingham, Liverpool, and Newcastle. This classification provides a broad overview on the physical features based on the general characteristics, whether they are mountainous, hilly, low-lying, related to water bodies, designated as national park, also associated with for urban development. It's important to note that some regions may have a combination of these characteristics, contributing to the overall diversity of England geography. Here's an overview of key physical features in England. Pennines. The Pennines, often referred as the backbone of England, is a mountainous region right down the centre of the country. It extends from the Peak District on the Midland to the Cheviot Hills in the Scottish Broad. The Pennines influence weather patterns and divide the country into northern and southern regions. Cotswold. Located in the south-central England, the Cotswold is an area of rolling hills and pictures of landscape, known for its charming village on the hollow colored cottage. The coast of the Silence area of stunning natural beauty. Then we have the Fens. Also on the Fens is a low-lying area in East New England. Historical and Westland Eastern drainage system have been developed for agricultural purposes. The region is characterized by flat expanses of farmland and waterways. Number 4. Chalk Downs. The Chalk Downs, including the South Downs and North Downs, are prominent feature on southern England. These are rolling chalk hills known for their white cliffs, such as the iconic White Cliffs of Dover. The Sutons in particular are now designed AO and B. Number 5. River Thames. The River Thames is the long-lived river of England, flowing from its source in the Cotswold through London and eventually into the North Sea. It has been strictly significant for trade and transportation and is a prominent feature of the capital city. Number 6. Lake District. Situated in the north of England, the Lake District is a mountainous region characterized by stunning lakes, red fields, and unique picture of valleys. It is a popular destination for outdoor activity and is also designed UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Broads. The Broads are a network of rivers and lakes, primarily Norfolk and Suffolk. The region is known for its extensive woodland and its popular boating destination. It provides a habitat for the best wildlife and it is a national park. Dalmore and Exmoor. Dalmore and Exmoor are national parks located in the south of England. Dalmore is known for its granite towers over moorland and prehistoric remains, while Exmoor features dramatic coastline, wooded valleys, and heather covered hills. Number 9. Norm, Northumberland Coast. Along the north of England is characterized by sandy beaches, dunes, and rocky cliffs. It is an area of natural beauty and is home to historic castles such as Bamberg Castle. Urban areas. England has several major urban areas. As we talked before, it could be London, Manchester, Birmingham, Liverpool, and Newcastle. Isle of Wight. This is located off the southern coast of England. It is known for its beaches, cliffs, and rural landscapes. It is a popular tourist destination and has a diverse range of geographical formation. So these physical features collectively contribute to England's diverse and visually appealing landscape, providing a mix of natural beauty, historic site, and vibrant urban centers. The varied topography has also influenced settlement patterns, land use, and cultural practice across the country. As we know, Great Britain is formed by the countries Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland, and of course England. We can see here a physical map, and here we have physical characteristics. The highlight: panoramic hills or rock formations have watered down over the years. Some peaks rise over 3,000 feet. Sometimes farming is poor. The Midlands coalfields are common. Factory towns include Birmingham, Manchester, and Stoke-on-Trent. Highest population density are found here. The lowlands. Soft rock lie beneath the ground providing fertile soil. Area contains England's most productive farms. Farmers grow wheat and vegetables. Cool, most climate is perfect for raising sheep and cattle. Agricultural goods are shipped through the credit in Britain and Europe. Rest of London as a trade centre. England has always produced goods for excellent trade. London's relative location on the Thames River make a better port than those on the southern shore. London has a wide history which makes shipping easier. Global trade patterns. Change in settlement towards the west in the 14 and the 1502 to people exploring the Americas. London was the perfect location for Atlantic trade. So to finish this lesson, let's go to forum lesson 2. We have some question over here about the importance and society. How does England's geography shape its society, economy, and cultural heritage? We have only a question here. And about the physical feature, we have three questions. Number one, what are some key characteristics of the Pennines mountain range in England? Number two, how do the physical features of England contribute to its overall diversity? Number three, can you provide more information about the national parks in England mentioned in the file we were reading? So try to answer this question and see you next time.